Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're going to be learning how to create a Gmail account without phone number verification. If this is your first time of creating a Gmail account, this tutorial is for you. And if you have an existing Gmail account and you are wondering how you can create one without phone number verification, do not worry. Watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is go to Google and type in Gmail. Before we move forward, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, then click create a Gmail account. Click create an account button. Further, click add account to device. Wait for it to finish checking info. Then click on create an account and choose if you want it for yourself or your business. I've chosen for myself here. Then I'll quickly type in my first name. Okay, so I'll type in my first name and my son name. And by the way, these names are fictitious just for the purpose of this tutorial. Then I'll click on next. Then input your date of birth, the day, month, and year. Input your gender, for me it's female, then click on next. Google has generously supplied you some Gmail ID, but you can input one. I'm just going to choose the first one and click on next. Then I'll type in my password here. And click on next. When you get to the add phone number page, do not add any, just scroll down and click on skip as shown by the arrow. Then review your account info if you like, click on next. Scroll down and click on I agree on the privacy page. As you can see that you have created a Gmail account without any phone number verification. Let it finish loading. Now what you should do is go to the Gmail app on your phone. I'll show you shortly, and verify your new Gmail account. Quickly go to your Gmail account to verify and see if your new Gmail account is working. Click on your Gmail app. Then click on the name icon as shown by the arrow. Okay, wait for it to bring out all my Gmail accounts. Then you can see all my Gmail accounts, and now click on the one I just opened, Sia Mayahaya. You can see it's empty because it's a new Gmail account. I'll click on compose to try to send a message. And it is showing from my new Gmail account, so I can type into any Gmail account I want to send a mail to. So you can see it is working. Please do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.